Camping should be about soaking up nature, not stressing over gear. Yet, from inefficient cooking setups to unreliable tents, outdated tools can ruin the experience. That's why we've assembled 17 modern camping gadgets to redefine your outdoor adventures. Let's get started. Any camping trip can get ruined if the sun turns your campsite into a desert or the rain decides to make a surprise appearance. That's when you need the YX Standard 10 by 10 Canopy Tent, the ideal solution for outdoor shelters. Unlike those dollar store tarps that flop around at the slightest breeze, this canopy has a sturdy steel frame that stands strong against air. The fabric isn't just water resistant, it's also UV blocking, so you don't feel like a roasted marshmallow in the sun. Got nosy neighbors or an unexpected gust? The attachable sidewalls can save you there. But the best part is that setting it up is as easy as it should be. The pop-up design means no wrestling with poles, and the adjustable height gives you options. When it's time to head out, it packs up neatly into a wheeled carry bag, so you're not dragging it across the trail. Next time you camp, let your Max do the heavy lifting so that you can focus on the fun. Nobody loves fumbling with mismatched barbecue tools, dripping sauce on everything, and struggling to open a drink. The Gentleman's Hardware Barbecue Multi-Tool takes the hassle out of outdoor cooking. This pocket-sized multi-tool includes a spatula, fork, basting brush, corkscrew, and bottle opener. At its core is a detachable spatula that ensures easy flipping of burgers, steaks, or even grilled vegetables. The sturdy fork offers reliability for turning or steadying food, while the silicone basting brush lets you apply sauces and marinades with professional accuracy. Adding to its functionality, the tool includes a bottle opener and corkscrew, which ensures you're always ready to enjoy a celebratory drink. It's constructed from premium stainless steel and finished with a chic wooden handle to make this as durable as it is visually appealing. Its compact design enables it to fit flawlessly into your camping or tailgating gear. If you love both camping and BBQs, keep this multi-tool in your backpack. Tired of juggling heavy, unwieldy backpacks on camping trips? You can try out the Ultima 22 Packable backpack. It solves a problem every outdoor enthusiast faces: how to travel light without sacrificing functionality. This innovative backpack packs down to pocket size, which makes it a perfect addition to your camping setup. When expanded, it provides 22L of dependable storage, ideal for holding your hiking gear, snacks, or even a rain jacket. It's water-resistant. Tear-proof material ensures durability in unpredictable outdoor conditions. The adjustable straps keep your shoulders comfortable even on long treks. Whether you're hiking up a scenic trail or strolling around a campsite, the Ultima 22 eliminates the frustration of carrying excess baggage. By being lightweight, versatile, and practically indestructible, the Ultima 22 ensures hassle-free adventures. Nothing ruins an epic outdoor adventure faster than sand invading your gear. Whether you're pitching your tent on a beach or chilling on dusty trails, the Seagear's sand-free multi-mat is your needed defense. Its patented dual-layer technology keeps sand and dirt out while letting air and water pass through, so you're never stuck with a soggy, grimy mess. This mat is built tough, tear-resistant, UV-stabilized, and ready for the rugged outdoors. It's perfect as a tent base, picnic spot, or even a gear cleaning station. Since it's easy to shake out and pack away, it's as convenient as it is innovative. You can pair it with your best camping chairs and lanterns, and you've got a base camp that can match home comfort. So, it's time to enhance your outdoor experience with the Seagear Multi-Mat. 1. Ever found yourself sitting on a soggy log or wet grass wishing you had packed something dry? You can keep the Matador pocket blanket for your upcoming camping trips. It's small enough to carry in your pocket, yet durable enough to handle rugged terrain. This blanket ensures you stay dry and comfortable no matter where you sit. Its water-resistant and puncture-proof design means you can lay it on dewy grass or rocky surfaces without worry. The weighted corners keep it in place even in breezy conditions, and folding it back into its attached storage pouch is effortless thanks to its stitched guidelines. Measuring 63 by 44 inches, it's spacious enough for 2 to 4 adults, yet folds down to a keychain-size package. So you no longer need to carry bulky blankets. Just slip it into your pocket, and you're prepared for comfort anywhere your adventures take you. The Bluetti Hands-Free 2 Backpack Power Station ensures you are never disconnected in the great outdoors. This 60L backpack comes with a powerful 7W, 512WH portable power station, allowing hands-free charging of up to 5 devices while being worn. And for those looking to capture the Black Friday discounts, the Hands-Free 2 is available with up to 52% off. The base package is currently being sold for $399 instead of the original $599 price tag. Designed with modular storage and a MAL system, the backpack provides organized space and a quick access side for on-the-go charging with solar panel compatibility that delivers full charges in 3 to 6 hours. However, the Hands-Free 2 and the solar panels are sold as a package separately. With its IPX4 waterproof rating, ergonomic design, and ability to handle a load of up to 30 kilograms, the Hands-Free 2 is built for durability and comfort even on longer hikes. Plus, its intelligent power management ensures your devices stay safe and perform optimally, making this backpack a highly adaptable solution for adventurers seeking reliable power and storage all in one package. The Brio Outpost Grill brings the joy of grilling without cutting any corners in the camp. Made in the USA from tough 304 stainless steel, this standalone grate is built to withstand the elements and deliver reliable performance over countless campouts. While it's designed for perfect compatibility with Brio X Series fire pits, it also works independently. Adding to its appeal for campers who like flexibility, one of the standout features is its adjustable height and 360 degrees rotation, which allow you to precisely control the heat for various types of cooking. Whether you're grilling veggies, searing steaks, or toasting marshmallows, the included anchor point system provides a stable setup on uneven terrain, ensuring safe use in any outdoor spot. While the carrying bag makes transport easy, if you're looking for a robust, portable grilling solution that gives you the freedom to cook over an open fire with control and ease, the Outpost Grill 19 is a smart, USA-made investment in outdoor cooking. The Crua Air Max is a rooftop tent for campers who want durability, quick setup, and all-season reliability in one package. Designed to fit 4 or 5 people, this tent is compatible with a range of vehicles, whether it's a truck, SUV, or Jeep, though crossbars are required. Setting up in just 60 seconds, it's perfect for spontaneous camping stops and those looking to save time. Built from 100 DJY ripstop polycotton on the inner fly and 210 DPU Oxford PU-coated outer fly, the tent stands up to harsh weather conditions, offering a P2000mm and HH3000mm water resistance rating for solid rain protection. The Air Max keeps the interior comfortable with 4 outer vents, 2 inner vents, and anti-bug mesh screens for airflow without pesky insects. Extra features like a telescopic ladder, skylights, and pockets provide convenience and make it feel like home. For campers who want added comfort, the built-in mattress and reflective awning offer both warmth on chilly nights and sun protection during the day. The Guzzle H2O Stream portable water filter provides a dependable water solution to campers, overlanders, and anyone needing clean water in a pinch. This self-contained unit pumps, filters, and purifies water at the push of a button. Capable of processing 0.75 gallons per minute in pumping mode, its pressurized mode boosts that to 1.1 gallons per minute. Built tough and waterproof with an IP67 rating, it's ready for any adventure, from remote backcountry trips to emergency preparedness. Its purification power comes from LED UVC technology, which is 99.99% effective against bacteria, protozoa, and viruses. Combined with a 0.5 micron carbon block filter, it tackles contaminants like lead, mercury, chlorine, VOCs, and sediment, ensuring safe, clean water from almost any freshwater source. The rechargeable lithium iron phosphate battery supports up to 32 gallons in pumping mode or 90 gallons in pressurized mode per charge, lasting up to 1,000 gallons on the filter alone. Weighing its practicality and effectiveness, the Guzzle H2O Stream is NSF and FDA approved, built for those serious about clean water on demand. The Warden Outdoors Kitchen Utensil Box, or KUB, transforms the camping kitchen experience, making meal prep easy, organized, and sustainable. This all-in-one kitchen set includes 36 essential items. Everything from plates, bowls, and cups to a frying pan, grill grate, kettle, and more, all made from durable, food-grade stainless steel. Housed in a compact wheeled ABS case that's built to last, the KUB eliminates the hassle of packing individual cookware, offering a complete, lightweight alternative that's 20% lighter than hauling your home kitchen essentials. Unlike traditional camping gear, the KUB prioritizes sustainability with materials that reduce reliance on single-use plastics, making it a smarter choice for eco-conscious campers. Smaller than a typical camping cooler, this portable kitchen is perfect for car campers and anyone needing a well-stocked outdoor kitchen without sacrificing space. With full-sized utensils and a design focused on longevity, the KUB streamlines the outdoor cooking experience, making it not only easier, but also environmentally friendly and more enjoyable. The Bluetti Swap Solar Camping Fridge redefines outdoor cooling by combining a 40L refrigerator with the AC 180T power station for ultimate flexibility on camping trips and RV excursions. This fridge keeps food fresh for up to 3 days with a single battery, making it a must-have for longer outings. With 2 batteries, the system powers other devices like phones, laptops, and even projectors, ensuring that you stay connected and entertained in the wild, built for convenience. The fridge cools from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to a chilly 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes, with an additional 9L ice-making compartment perfect for ice-cold drinks on hot days. Boasting an impressive 1800 W output with grid power or 2 batteries and 1000 W without, the Bluetti's total 1433.6 WH capacity means it can handle high energy needs with ease. Moreover, it's compact enough for easy transport but spacious enough for essentials. The hot swappable battery design allows uninterrupted power, keeping food cool and devices running even during battery changes. With winter knocking, the Pomoli T-Brick titanium stove stands out for hot tent camping. It's lightweight, tough as nails, and made to keep you warm when the cold starts biting. Made from 1mm Ta1 pure titanium, this wood-burning stove resists deformation even under intense heat. Thanks to a reinforced 3-dimensional body, top cover, and bottom plate stabilized by 25 weld points for campers focused on efficiency, the T-Brick's design includes a front and side air intake system enlarged by 15% to increase combustion efficiency and minimize smoke. A detachable baffle enhances wood gasification for hotter, cleaner burning, while a titanium spark arrestor with a sandblasted finish adds a layer of safety by trapping sparks. The stove also offers thoughtful features like an adjustable damper to control the burn rate and octagonal glass side panels for visibility and warmth, making it a must-have for winter campers. That was all about the 17 modern camping gadgets to redefine your outdoor adventures.